Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel TechHands. So in yesterday the Twitter team released its one of the new feature and the feature is dark mode. But this update is previously launched for desktop version, so the time duration between the desktop version and the mobile version is very long. So anyway, no problem, leave it. So now how to get this feature on your Android mobile application, and it maybe works on iOS version. So Android users simply open your Twitter application in your device and then click to log in your account details. So now my newsfeed is ready to use, but in this section you can press your profile icon and it is placed at almost top of left side corner, and then one sliding window is opening, but you can go to settings and privacy and the fifth option. Now one more settings window is opening, but you can go to display and sound settings and it is placed under the general section. So finally I get to the dark mode settings and it is placed under the second one. So just click to turn on this feature. But it has three options. In normal feature only have on and off. But this Twitter is very smart because it shows the third option. And the third option is automatic at sunset. Which means that if you are using Twitter application at evening time, the dark mode is automatically activated. And this is new one. But I try to activate this night mode in manual method by select on option and the second one. So and then you can see my dark mode is activated successfully. Now you can use your Twitter application at night time also. So this is the way you can easily activate your Twitter dark mode by watching my tutorial. For more tech videos you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel TechHands, and thanks for watching.